Hello everybody, this is your girl Ashley. I'm coming to you with another product review, which is going to be an unboxing of the Fujifilm Mini 7 Plus. This is actually the instant camera bundle. So it has multiple items in this box. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, let's make sure that you go down below and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you can be notified when I upload another video. All right, let's get started with this unboxing. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is actually an instant camera, you guys, okay? So let's see what we're going to start off with. All right, so this is a little purse where you can put your camera for us ladies. It is a purse. I love it. Very beautiful. I'm going to put it to the side. Also, it has a photo album. You can fit, I believe it's over 72 photos in this one photo album. Also, let's see what's in this box. Well, this is, I wanted to leave this at the end, but we are going to go ahead and talk about it. This is the camera. I'm actually working with one hand, you guys, so please bear with me. This is actually the camera. Ooh, it's pretty. I love pink, you guys. That's the reason why I purchased it. Because of the color, I love it. I love it. I love it. Also, let's see what else we have in this box. So it did come with some film. So you do have some instant film with this bundle. And I believe it's about 20 in this package. And then it came with instructions as well about the warranty. Yep, that's about the warranty as well. It did come with a little package to actually design your pictures. Also, here is the instructions. And we have some batteries for the camera. Also, we have like a little tassel to hang to the side so we can put it on our wrist, ladies. Okay. So that is all that's in the box. So let's go back to the little purse because I kind of like this purse. It's kind of cute. Ooh, actually, I can't even get it out the plastic. I'm only working with one hand. 1 second, y'all. Guys, so we're back again. So let's talk about this one more time, you guys. So this is a small little purse where we can actually put the camera. And sorry, my baby's in the background. And it has the little holder. Oh, look. I love it. You can actually take it out the holder. You can put it on your side. I love it. Also, I did want to show inside the album. It just got the plastic protectors, but it holds over 72. Also, I do have some extra film. I did purchase some extra film, okay, with the camera. Because I'm planning on doing a lot of, a lot of pictures, okay? So, hey, you guys, so if you're interested, I will put a link down below for Amazon. I did find it cheaper. I did purchase this particular camera from Walmart for $69, but I did find a cheaper price on Amazon. Make sure you go down below and you actually hit the link down below if you're interested in purchasing, and the link will direct you to that particular camera. Also, like I said earlier, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can get a notification when I upload another video. For now, I will see you guys again. Peace.